Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina. Today I have a Sew Sampler unboxing. Feels a little bit heavy. Not sure what's in there. I did not peek at the other unboxings on YouTube, but so I'm going to do that today, and a small fabric haul, some things I picked up for some projects I'll be doing soon. So with that said, I am going to cut this open. I'm having a good day today. It's the day after Thanksgiving. I did do some Black Friday shopping online last night and did pick up some good deals. And the cold weather has hit Pennsylvania and I absolutely love it. There were flurries today. Just beautiful. I like it. Alright, so we have November 2024 Winter Blooms. And we have a slice and dice quilt pattern on here. So I like to leave the fabric for last. That's my favorite part. But we have some goodies in here. Alright, so we have some multi-purpose scissors by Karen K. Buckley. And it has a little sheath to kind of protect them from poking or getting into anything. So small perfect scissors make detailed cutting a total breeze with knife edge multi-purpose stainless steel blades. These little wonders slice sharply right to the tips. The comfy handles are ambidextrous, perfect for both righties and lefties. I'm a lefty. Ideal for precision cutting of template, plastic, freezer paper fabric, and fabric with fusible stabilizers. These scissors are your new crafting BFF. Now, I will say I don't think I have anything like this. Sometimes I do like getting very close to the thread to cut the thread off. I do have a couple pair like these. I have two pairs of these. I keep one on the bench here and I usually keep one back here by the sewing machine. But so I think I'll use these. I'll put them by my machine. They got a rubber grip on them. Oh yeah, that snaps in place too. You can hear it snap. So you won't lose it or it won't fall off. Alright, that's a $20.98 value. And then we have all-in-one quilter's reference tool. Oh, this is great. This will be definitely used. Wow. I like this. Easy to follow charts, tables, and illustrations. Harriet Hargrave, Sharon Craig, Alex Anderson, and Liz Analowski. This booklet gives you yardage requirements, cutting instructions, setting secrets, choosing supplies, piecing techniques, number conversions, and more. So that is this book right here. I think this would be invaluable tool for anybody who likes to make quilts. But it gives you, for instance, number conversions, yardage requirements, cutting, supplies, piecing, thread tension, 20 popular traditional blocks, and it helps you with how much yardage you need for the size quilt that you would want to make. And That's great. Like this says bed comforter, coverlet, and bedspread measurements. And it has all the details on the book there on what you need. Quilt size in inches for straight set. Blocks 6 to 8 inches. So it's telling you what the block setting is, number of blocks, block size, how many blocks you would need depending on what size you wanted to make the quilt. Well, this is great. Wow. But anyway, if anyone's interested, this is the book here. I'm sure you can find it at the Fat Quarter Shop. Go to their website. That book is $16.98 value. So that I like that. And then we have some magic pins. I do not have any of these, have never used them. They're heat resistant. There's 6 piece of the extra long, and then there's 6 piece of the patchwork pins, and you can see how some are longer than the others. But this is $2.48 value. And then we have this pattern, Perennials Quilt Pattern, value $9.98, and that's what this pattern looks like. And again, we have the Peaceful Baskets quilt pattern. Well, for the block itself, this is the Goose Chase basket block. This is block number 8, which I have been getting these, but that could be something I do in the future. It's not anything I'm working with right now. And the part I like is the fabric. Woohoo! So this is $25.98 value. This is Perennials Melody Fat Quarter Bundle. Winter may be on its way, but we're turning up the heat with Melody. This delightful collection by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Designs is buzzing with songbirds, butterflies, florals, and chic geometrics. These 9 fat quarters will brighten up your space and next quilt with a cheerful splash of all the prints and colors from the line. So let's see what these look like. I really like that book. That will get used. Alright, let's open it up. I know some people don't like to open it because it's hard to get back together if you're not going to use it right away. But I will open it for you guys. So, we have this. And then we have this. It's got some nice floral colors on here with like a pinkish background. And this is another blue one. We've got some pretty flowers on there. This is some butterflies and flowers. I'm so happy because I have this light in my room here. It's a ceiling fan with a light built in, but for some reason the light quit working and I couldn't get the remote to work with it, and for the longest time this light would not work in here. So one day I come home and the light was on. I have no idea why, how, what happened, but my light here works now in the ceiling. So I'm so excited for that. This is like a blue. this. And this yellow. I like yellow. I'm starting to like yellow a lot more. I used to love yellow. I wanted everything yellow. And then I kind of got away from yellow. And now I'm starting to like yellow again. But here is the color collection all together. Let me fan these out. This is probably going to be very pretty as a quilt. I might actually do this quilt. I just need to get some background fabric. Some white. But here's the kaleidoscope of colors. With all together. That'll be pretty. Alright, so again, this is Melody Riley Blake by, let me see, I can't see this, Beverly McCullough. Alright, and then again, like I said, there is another bonus pattern if I wanted to do something like this. I could do that, just scanning the QR code. Yeah, I like this box. I don't know if I liked last month's box very much. I did not do an unboxing on it. But I'm not sure how much I really liked that one. I like this one. I like all this fabric. But, alright, so I did pick up some fabric for a project. So someone asked me if I could do a tutorial on how I made this quilt. So I told myself I was done with rag quilts, but someone requested if I could make this, so I did pick up some fabric to make one like this. So Joann's had their flannel $2.99 a yard, so I did pick up this with the yellow. And then I did order an orange, like this darker orange here. It hasn't come in yet. I don't know where it's at. And then I picked up some more for a winter rag quilt of some sort. I don't know what I'm going to do or when I'm going to do this one, but it's $2.99 a yard. But it's always nice having stuff on hand if you need to make something quick for somebody, baby shower or something like that. But I picked up this winter material, and I picked up a couple different color like blues or grays, but they're so close together, the same color. So I think I'm going to use this one and not this one, but try to find something else that will go with these together. So that's a project I'll be working on. And one more thing I'm working on, let me go grab it. Okay, someone at work asked me if I would want to do sort of like a memory pillow for her son. He's going to be graduating high school, so she happened to run into one of his favorite shirts of all time that she could never get off of him. And it's this little shirt right here. So I'm gonna, and you can see it was his favorite because somebody tried to sew it right there. You can see on the back. So I'm gonna cut this front part off, and I'm gonna make a memory pillow with it. So if you guys are interested in how I do that, keep an eye out. I will be posting a video. Probably this will be my next project. And then I'll move on to another rag quilt possibly from that point. But I'd like to finish this t-shirt memory pillow for her. But, and also someone requested if I could possibly do a rag pillow. So I have some fabric left over from the gray and yellow heart rag quilt I did with the homespun fabric. So I think I will do that with this fabric here and make a pillow to match the rag quilt I made. So that's another something I'll have coming up. So I mean, I have things here I need to do, but matter of time and circumstances and things. But thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I would really appreciate it. Trying to get my channel to grow and make the 1,000 subscribers. That's my next milestone that I need. So, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any requests or would like me to make something or whatever, just reach out to me on YouTube and in the comments or something. But thank you for watching. Have a great day.